I'm going to show you how to make pittu. For do this we need rice flour, so I'm using 1 kilo of rice flour. I'm going to add some salt, and always salt to your taste. I have 2 coconuts, fresh coconut grated, so I'm going to add this into the flour. But there are 2 ways of doing this. If you want to pour the coconut milk on top of the pittu after you make it, you can squeeze the coconut milk with a little bit of water and leave it aside, and once you take the pittu out, you can put the coconut milk on top of it. But I'm not going to do that today. If you are going to have this with a curry or something, you don't need to do that. If you get the coconut milk out and pour it on top, you can eat without anything. So I'm going to add the coconut into this one. I can't tell you the exact amount of water that I'm going to add here, because that depends on the moisture that the coconut gives too. So I'm mixing it using my fingers like this. After that, I'm going to add water little by little. If you put lots of water, what will happen? It will make large clots, but I'm not going to make bigger ones, so I want tiny little balls. So always mix it once you put water. When you see a large ball, try to break that down. When you are doing this, you have to leave some hot water on the stove to boil. If you don't have a pittu maker, so you can do it on the, in the steamer, but you won't find the shape. But that's the only thing, the taste and the texture will be the same. Try to break down all the lumps. Pittu always goes with curries like beef, chicken, or even with lentils. That depends on your taste. I think the water I added is enough, so I have to keep on mixing this for a while to break down all the lumps that appear in here. After that, I am going to fill the pittu maker with this, and I'll show you how to fill the pittu maker and make pittu. Now what I am going to do is, this is my pittu maker. I am going to add the mixed rice flour into this one. I'm shaking it. If you don't shake, there will be spaces in between. Now close the lid and put it on the pittu pot. Once the water starts boiling, the steam will go through the pittu maker and it will steam the pittu and it will be nicer. I'll show you later. It started steaming, that means it's already cooked. So I'm going to take this out now. I can smell that it's already cooked. I'm going to take the lid off. To take this out, you will need something to push the pittu out from this. So leave it like this on the tray or a plate and push it through. Be careful when it is hot. See, it looks really nice. Take this part out, put it back to this is what we call pittu. So you can have this with a curry, but as I said, once you take this out, when it is hot, pour the coconut milk on top if you are going to have it just like that. So the pittu is ready. I'm going to serve it with the chicken curry. Thank you for watching.